What's up everybody, welcome to It With Fusco. My name is Keith. Today's video, we've got a Bambu Lab A1 Mini and we're going to go through and show you how to set it up. So let's jump in. So let's get started. We'll open up the box, see what's inside. Now this particular one is the A1 Mini combo. So we have the extra edition of the AMS Lite, which is the extra filament option. So I'll do a separate video on that just to show that. So there we go, that's it out of the box. And then we'll open it up and see what's in. So as you can see, we've got the wrapping here. Got that open, and the top bit here. So it's got nice packaging, all sort of well put together. So we have this first. So this is for the AMS Lite, for the spindles of the filament to go on there. This is it here. This is the AMS Lite. And obviously this lets you put on 4 filaments and use that on the printer itself, but we'll look at that in a different video. And that's the other thing that comes with it, the AMS Lite handle. So the holder for it, sorry. So that goes down like that. And then obviously all of this is just packaging that comes with it just to keep it nice and secure. And here we go. We have this here. So within the kit as well, you get this here. I do believe that there's different options that you get sent with the kit. This one is a lamp one. In here as well, we have this little device, which is for the filament poop. Some cables, super dry, some filament. So we'll put all of these there, and the rest of that is just rubbish. So again, we have the filament, which is PLA basic, and we get 20 grams of that. And this is the tubes, which is for the AMS Lite, I do believe. So it's the 4 of them that connect up to these 4 spools on there and feeds into the printer. And this is a spool holder. So if you were to just get the A1 Mini, that will go on the back so you can hold 1 spool, but we've got the AMS Lite for the 4. Like I said, then with the other ones. And then in here, we have some more protection. So I've got rid of that. Have the instructions. So this is the Bambu Lab A1 Mini with the AMS Lite. And then this is it here. So the A1 Mini Bambu Lab. And then obviously we have the bed here. So it's the plate and everything else. So again, it comes all sort of connected together, so it's already set up, so you don't really need to do much. We have a cable tie here. So we've got that cable tie off. Put that with all the rubbish. Have more padding here. So we have that off. And then under the plate as well, there is some. And in the back as well. See there in the back, more padding, so we'll get that out. And we also have some on there, so we'll take that off. And then that is it, pretty much done. So in the instructions, get some nice little stickers there, and information to go on Bambu Labs to get the thing. So in the box for the AMS Lite, we also have this, which is a accessory box and some other stuff. There's this nice little filament switcher, and in there I do believe it's all of the filament colours, so you can see what they're going to look like, but we'll look at that another one. And in here, this is the accessory box, so you get all different things like Allen keys and some lubricant oil and stuff like that. So first things first, when we're doing this, on the front of this Bambu Labs is okay, but on the back we have this here. This is what we need to remove. This is a Z-axis limiter, so we need to remove the 4 screws on here. So again, we have the accessory box, which I said earlier, and we should have a Allen key in it. So I do believe it's this big long one. Yep. I'll just do it this way. So that's one screw removed. That's two. And then the other two are just here. So again, with the long end of the Allen key, I can get in. So cool. That's the 4 screws removed, and just a case of taking that off. And that is the Z access limiter, and that has been removed. Obviously, earlier I cut the cable tie, which was on here. So it was on here. I've cut that off already, but then that will be the next step. And also remove the foam padding. Next, what you have to do is on the heat bed, see here, see the screws on the heat bed? So 3 of them need to tighten up. So we'll just do that now. So there's that one tightened. Should do this one too. That's tightened. Then on the other side, there is only 1 screw to do. So as you can see in there is 1 screw there, and the other side doesn't have a screw. So it's that one there that we need to tighten up. So we will just get in. Just like that, that's tightened up. Next thing we need to do is this purger, or the thing for the poop that comes out of the printer. We need to slide this into the slot at the end of the X-axis. So I'll just do it from this angle, as you can see. So underneath here there's a little slot, and this just goes on like so. There we go. Just like that, that connects on. When this has been connected, we need to actually fit a screw in to hold it in place, because as you can see, it just sort of comes in and out so easy. So in the accessory box, it actually comes with a screw to use. So in the pouch, there's another little pouch, and we'll just take it out. And as you can see, it's actually labeled on, and it says on there for purge wiper. So we'll take that out and we'll get that installed. So as you can see here, this is where the purge device goes. And we'll just get the screw. There's a little screw hole in there, like so. And we'll just screw that in. And there we go. And that holds that in place. The next thing that you're supposed to do is this spool holder in here as well. You have the screws for the spool holder. So I'll just get them out. As you can see there, it says for spool holder, and this is the spool holder as well. But I have the AMS Lite, which has got the 4 spools, so I'm not going to attach this. But that will be the next step for your printer. And that is how you put together this Bambu A1 Mini 3D printer. There is some other things which I'm going to cover in other videos, such as the AMS Lite, how to put that together, how to connect it up and do all that other stuff. And then also how to set up the printer and calibrate it as well. That's in a different video. This is just to actually put together the hardware aspect of it. Hopefully you found this informative and it's helped you go through with your setup for the printer. If you get stuck on anything, please let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to reply back and address that concern that you have. Until next time, see ya.